out here at the beach. Decided to practice social distancing out here, man. It's a good thing about living in California. Look at all that. You can always come to the beach, it's just empty. I got a little spot that I like to come to at a certain location. But I think I want to do this quick video to give artists some advice while we're still quarantined, while we're still locked down. I think that a few things that I think artists should do now that a couple of weeks have went by and I've been talking to a few artists. I think that you should learn how to record yourself, because the benefits is there's only an upside to it. A lot of artists I know aren't able to get songs recorded because the studio's closed and you ain't working with the engineer because you don't want to put yourself at risk at being sick. But you could go on YouTube with these free videos, download ProTools, the same laptop that you use to go on WorldStar and everything else, and learn how to record yourself. Also, learn how to make beats. Why not? Because when this quarantine is over, you won't even need a producer. You won't even need an engineer, because you spent time and you spent it the right way. You didn't spend it just wasting time, but you learned a few skills that actually help you save a lot of money. So the name of the game right now is to be as productive as possible. And that's just something that a lot of people aren't doing right now. You know, I'm talking to a lot of artists and it's shocking. Even through all of this, they're still not being productive. You know what I'm saying? They're still not writing, recording songs, coming up with marketing plans, learning how to do YouTube ads, Facebook ads. They're still not doing it. It's crazy. So I just wanted to do this video and just tell you, like, look, learn how to make beats, be productive. When this thing is over, you want to make sure that you've learned skill sets. You can literally, man, it's so much you could be doing just with a phone and a laptop, just as an artist. And I'm gonna do a longer version of this video, but you know, be productive. Learn how to be by yourself. You know, a lot of artists are freaking out because they're so used to being around people. Because most artists that I know, they don't like to be alone. They always need a crew with them. You know, but to me, my whole life is based on just, producers are usually, you know, lonely wolves, you know, because it's our job to just sit at a computer and work and produce. But the best thing about that is you get more knowledgeable on things. You have time. You're not dependent on people for happiness. So I want to do this challenge. If you're an artist and you're watching this, in the next 30 days, learn the basic instructions of either A, how to make beats, or B, how to record yourself on Pro Tools. I'm gonna put that challenge out. I'm gonna put it on my Instagram and Twitter. I challenge all independent artists or major artists that's watching this. Learn how to make beats or learn how to record yourself. Because once you do one of those things, when this is over, I promise you it's gonna make you a better person.